In today's video, we will be sharing with you this delicious broccoli cranberry salad recipe. Welcome to Tasty and Quick Recipes. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications if you enjoy this video. For this recipe, you will need 2 cups of broccoli, a 1/4 cup of diced onions, half a cup of bacon, 1 cup of cheddar cheese, half a cup of cranberries, half a cup of walnuts, a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of pepper, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, 1 tablespoon of honey, half a cup of mayonnaise, and 1/4 cup of sour cream. In a bowl, we're going to combine together the mayonnaise, sour cream, salt, pepper, lemon juice, and honey, and mix until completely combined. Once combined, add in the broccoli, onions, bacon, the cranberries, and the walnuts, and mix until everything is completely combined. Finally, we're going to add in the cheese and continue mixing. Cover with plastic wrap. Place this in the fridge for at least 2 hours. Our broccoli cranberry salad is complete, and now you can plate and serve. We hope you enjoy.